Just 2 steps, we can change any bike into an electric bike. Hello, this is K from Moto. Today I suddenly have an idea to convert my old mountain bike, one of them, into an electric bike. I have several bikes, but I seldom ride them since I often drove last year. Although cycling can exercise, but if I feel tired on the halfway and want to go home for a rest, I need to ride home again.
No! No!
Oh God, I'm already very tired. So, the electric bike is the best solution. When exercise, I can ride it as a normal bike. When I'm tired, I can use it as an electric bike. That's awesome. Just 2 steps, we can change any bike into an electric bike. Just listen carefully. Step 1. Buy an electric bike kit like this. Step 2. Put all those things on your bike. Let's get it done. That's nice. If you want to know more details about how to install the electric bike, follow me.